Hi, this is Valerie. I'm sure you're watching this video because you are either a business owner or you're about to start a business or you're just into the sphere that is connected with making money. And today we are going to speak about one thing which every business loves a lot, and this is automation. Well, when I say automation, I mean that something that you can do very well can be done by something else. And today we're going to speak about chatbots. Well, chatbots have gained popularity over the last years, and no wonder, because these are a perfect way to automate the communication with your prospects and your leads and your customers and any person that is trying to establish a connection with your business. Well, a chatbot is something that gives you an opportunity to talk to them while you're away or you're busy, or you are out of the working hours. Well, a chatbot is like a staff member that works 24/7 and that knows everything, and they can help almost anyone. Well, there are some chatbots that have artificial intelligence like Siri, Alexa, Google Smart Home and whatnot. But right now I'm going to speak about a chatbot that you can configure straight away and apply into your business. So Alexa, Siri and other helpers are actually the ones that are for the personal use. So you cannot apply them to your business. But when it comes to your business, I'm sure you need something pretty much customized, and that's what all chatbots in this world are made for. Now, let me give you a few examples why you definitely need a chatbot. Well, there are actually going to be, pretty many cases, but let me just name at least some of them. Well, for example, technical support requests. Like, you get many of them and your technical support simply cannot handle all of them. So what you do, you configure a chatbot and the chatbot does all the job. Or you're getting so much traffic to your website that just your managers simply cannot answer each and every prospect. So what you do, you configure a chatbot and a chatbot answers all the questions within the snap of the finger. There are maybe cases when you have lots and lots of frequently asked questions that need one and the same answer all the time, and you simply don't want your managers to type in the same answers all day and sometimes all night. So what you do, you configure a chatbot and you know what happens next. So in general, a chatbot helps your traffic, your prospects, your leads and your customers move down the funnel or complete a key action. Also, you're going to increase the NPS and customer retention rate, and of course, the customer satisfaction. What's more, you can generate even more leads with no effort, and you can also qualify them so that your salespeople know whom they are going to call or just simply send a message. A chatbot is a new reality, right? And almost every website has a chatbot now. But here's one thing I'd like to draw your attention to. Well, a chatbot is not something that is a machine with no heart, no soul, no empathy. A chatbot is something that you can configure in the way that it can imitate the conversation with a real person. So whenever a chatbot is going to have a conversation with someone, a chatbot is going to use the phrases that are pretty much natural because you're going to configure them. What's more, while adding even more personalization to your chatbot, you can configure the responses based on the triggers that actually a website visitor does on your website. Like, for example, that's a repeat purchase, or a person who's been on the website for 30 minutes already, or that's a customer that's been with you for more than 2 years. You can configure a chatbot in such a personalized way that people who are communicating with the chatbot are going to be very much satisfied, and their emotions are going to be connected with your brand, and they are going to be even more loyal to your company. To sum up this introduction to a chatbot, here's the thing. A chatbot is something that you're going to configure, and you're going to feed the chatbot with what you'd like to tell your audience. Then you're also going to focus a lot on the personalization, and you're going to imitate the real conversation. So a chatbot can actually have a lot of branches for the communication, and it can maintain the conversation from A to Z and deliver the right information to the people a chatbot is talking to. So the good news, it doesn't need any manpower, it doesn't need even a break, it doesn't need any sick leave, and it simply works 24/7, and it can reply immediately so that all your prospects, leads, traffic, customers, users, visitors are given the answer the very moment they are writing to you, and they are satisfied. So that is it with the introduction. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about how you can configure a chatbot and what metrics of your business it can boost. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss this precious information. See you in the next videos.